Aloha, this is Kuunani De Monte. I've been with Digital Champions for about 2.5 months. When the pandemic started back in March, by April we could feel a slowdown in our referrals. And it only got steadily worse as the skilled nursing facilities and the hospitals began to shut down to all outside visitors. I knew at that point we had to do something different. So I consulted with Nick from Digital Champions and I wanted him to help me boost my social media platforms. I knew that this would be big, especially right now during the pandemic. I wanted to be top of mind for everyone. Having Nick as a coach has been great. He's been teaching me basic skills in how to shoot my own videos. He's been helping me plan my social media posts and help me capture the ideas for the posts so that my business stands out. Since I've been with Digital Champions, more and more people have been joining my Facebook page and they like to contact me, and when they contact me, they tell me that they visited all my social media platforms and they want to work with us. So I'm very happy. Thank you, Digital Champions.